No, you have been lied to. It is not free, it is not super easy, and you cannot make thousands and thousands of dollars overnight. These are the blatant and common lies you are told from the searches that you've done online through Google or through YouTube. Everyone tells you that making money online or making money online with affiliate marketing is something that anyone can do in an instant, and that you can make instant riches overnight, and that it's super easy. You've also probably heard or have searched how to do it for free or how to do it really cheaply, or many things related to this that are easy, cheap, instant. And anyone who's ever told you that affiliate marketing or that making money online is one of these things, is they are wrong. Now, they've probably shown some proof of some kind to you of their results or other people seeing results with the methods they're using, and those sometimes are real results. That is real proof. You can make a killing online. You can make 5, 6, 7 figures, 8 figures every single month online. Along with myself, along with the people I mentor and mentors I know, people do these things every single day, all the time, with many different companies and many different niches and in many different ways. Now, what I'm going to cover is the real way and the real things you need in order to create a sustainable, long-term, reliable income online, and also especially with affiliate marketing. I am not going to go through the instant life hack that makes you $10,000 in 0.3 seconds, because things like that don't actually exist. People have been lying to you to get you to click on their bait and to get you into their program, into their company. Well, I'm actually going to tell you and show you what you actually need to make a real income online that's reliable. Which sounds more real and which sounds legit to you? One that makes you $10,000 in 2 seconds, or one that makes you a sustainable, reliable, great income over time? Number one, in order to make money online, in order to sell anything online, you number one first need an autoresponder or a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. You need a customer relationship management software. Now, the reason why you need either an autoresponder or a CRM is because you must be building what's called a list online. You must be building your list. Now, what is a list? A list is a gathering of email subscribers that you email out your offers, your ideas, and content to. You send them information. And sometimes when people are on this email list, they'll decide to buy or invest with you. And some of them won't. What this autoresponder or CRM does is it gathers these subscribers together that you have or that you will get over time. And what it does is it allows you to email out and contact all of them at once. So you almost get like an instant ad or an instant message, an instant communication to all of them at once. Now, do this enough times with enough people, you can sell a product or service to these people as an affiliate marketer or as a product or service you own yourself, and make money from it because you're offering people something that they are interested in. So number one, right now, if you're in affiliate marketing or you're in marketing online of any kind, you're trying to make money online, number one, you need an autoresponder and you need to be building your list. Without that, you're going to be wasting a lot of money, you're going to be wasting a lot of time, and it's going to be a lot harder for you to get started and really make some real money online. An example of this is that my first 2 years, I didn't make a single cent online because I didn't follow this, because I wasn't building my list. Number two, if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need to have and build with a reliable, real company that sells products or services that will actually help people, that are real quality product or services. Reason for this, because number one, if you build with a non-sustainable, non-legitimate, or very weak, not a real high quality standard company, the company will go down, the company will go bankrupt, the company will be sued. So you need to make sure you are building with or becoming a partner or an affiliate for a company that is legit, that has a long-standing, great, credible history, and that will support you. Now, if you plan on selling your own product and services, you simply need the product or service and a way to deliver it or to have your customer be able to access and use it. Number three, the third major final thing you need in order to make money online or to make money in affiliate marketing is you need a traffic or lead source to attract or bring customers or to bring people in to become leads or that are showing interest in your product and service, to get them onto your list so that you can offer them more continued product and services in the future and take care of their wants and needs. So again, you need a way to attract people in to become a lead and to join your list. Then you need to be able to email and communicate with these people to convert them into a customer, and then continue emailing and contacting and building a relationship with them in order to work with them more in the future and have them potentially buy from you even more in the future. So these are the three main things you need in order to make money online or make money in affiliate marketing. You basically need, very simply put, if you want to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, you need to have an offer of some kind. You need a way to attract leads or an audience to this offer, and you need a way to convert those leads into money, cash, and customers. So option number one, right now, if you don't have them right now, you can go ahead and go find these three things. Go find your autoresponder, go find an offer or an affiliate offer to sell, or create your own product or service to sell, and of course, find a traffic source or way to generate customers to this process. And of course, you can go ahead and set up this whole funnel process yourself. Make sure and again experiment and spend your time and money figuring out what does or what won't work. This is completely up to you. Or number two, we actually use an automated system where these three things in the entire process of having a product or service that is wanted, that is needed, as well, being able to attract people to that product and service, and having the ability to convert your audience or leads into customers, we have a process where that is done for you, where a lot of that process is already set up, and the entire thing has been automated and made very simple and easy to set up. So if you are someone who is looking to not do all of the work yourself, we have an easier, simpler solution. Look, as I said earlier, I'm not going to tell you you're going to make $1 bajillion in 3 seconds. I'd be lying to you if I said that. But there are easier, more automated ways that are shortcuts that are not going to eliminate all the problems. You still need money, you still need time, you still need energy to put into your business. There are easier ways, like option number two, where you don't have to do all the work yourself. So again, no matter what you do, whether you set up the process yourself, or whether you go with an automated system, which there is a link in the description of this video or somewhere around this video for you to go ahead and choose and take that offer and to use that basically almost service to automate your business, even if you already are in affiliate marketing or even if you already are making money online. In fact, we made over $40,000 the very first month that we were apart and in the first month that we were using this system. But again, no matter what you do, it's going to take time, it's going to take money, and it is going to take energy. Every other video on YouTube and Guru and all of whatchamacallit, you can call them, they all lie to you. They all say this is the instant way to make cash just on your phone in 2 minutes. That's all bullshit. I want to give you something that's real. I want to give you something that works, and I'm not going to lie to your face. It will take time, it will take money, it will take energy, but you can produce a long-term, reliable income that will pay you for life, like I have been doing since 15 years old. Since then, as you see in the background pictures here, I have traveled the world, I've spoken across many stages, won awards, self-published author, and I love helping and giving to people things, ways, and methods to genuinely create a reliable income. No bullshit. Just go ahead and click on the link in the description for our automated system that puts it all together for you. Again, it's still going to take time, energy, and money, but it will simplify the process for you and make it so you have an easier time getting started. With that being said, have an absolutely great day. Make sure you get started with our system right there, and we will see you in another video very soon.